Did you order more Tesla stuff?
Ha ha! You're gonna love this. These are our wheel covers that we got from EVBASE. All right, so EVBASE was kind enough to send us some awesome wheel covers and some awesome center caps. Here we go, let's see what's in the box. So inside the box, nicely packaged with some styrofoam and also some bubble wrap. Here are the new dust covers, wheel caps, wheel covers. They have all kinds of different names that Tesla uses for them, but these are pretty heavy duty. So the ones that come with the Tesla, they're, I don't want to call them flimsy, it's just the way that they're designed, but these are more like a hubcap. It's pretty cool. Nice little hook here, have some hooks on each part, and I think these are going to install very well and very easily. Let's make sure there's 4. And a nice little letter from EVBASE thanking us for being a customer with them, and we appreciate them too. And we got these guys here. So it comes with this nice little, helps you take the caps off that are on there. So these pieces of foam tape are included in the box. These are going to be installed right around the edge. And what that does is it protects the OEM rims on board the car. So we're going to go ahead and install those now with the help of Ellie. Let's go get these things installed. So we're going to take this orange tool to pop these off. I've done this before with a screwdriver, and what I would normally do with the screwdriver is I'd put like a cloth or something around it. So this is nice that they sent this plastic piece because this won't scratch the rims and it won't scratch the original dust covers. So just simply going to take this, insert it in. That'll pop that right off too easy. I think we're going to let Chastity do the next one so you can see just how easy it is. Now we're going to take this side, insert it in here, and we have popped that one off. Not a bad look with just the rim, but it's going to look much better here in a second. So Chas is now going to show you how easy these can be uninstalled. Ta-da! So nice sharp look for these things. It's hot out here in Virginia. It's humid, so pay no attention to all this sweat. It's not that difficult, it's just hot out here. It's miserable. Ugh. But anyway, obviously you can see these brackets. Those are gonna go onto the center cap, and then these guys here are gonna hang on to these parts of the rim. So the best thing to do is to find the valve stem, which is here. Line that valve stem up. Make sure we're good and popped all over. That was too easy. Now it's Chas's turn. Find the valve stem. There you go. Now for the finishing touches, these nice center caps here. There's all kinds of different colors. You can get like a blackout, you can get red, there's a gray. You can also get like some custom type stuff done. They have a sticker on the back, so they're just gonna stick right onto there. We chose white because we think it looks sharp. And what Chastity wants, Chastity gets. She likes white. So they also have this nice protective film over the top of it. I'm gonna leave that on until I get it installed. All right, so just take the adhesive backing off. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this film a little bit just to make it easier once I get it on. Voila, Chas is gonna do the back. All right, guys, so we just finished our install of the EVBASE wheels and center caps. What did you think?
It was easy.
Yeah, it was
It was
easy.
very easy.
It's a sharp look.
Oh, they look so good.
They look a lot better. So click the link down in the description if you'd like to get some of these wheels or some other things from EVBASE, and use the code Moonlight. And we'll thank you guys so much. And if you want to see more Tesla stuff, more Tesla adventures, click the link right up above Chastity's head. Right there it is. We're out.